Hi, I'm using my new my iPad 2, 16GB, to make this video. Max, Merry Christmas, and Merry Christmas to all of you. Hope you got whatever you want, and hope you got love and joy. Shooting an Angry Bird pig, and first shot, one shot. I missed, of course. Oh! Wasn't too good of a shot, but something. Oh! Oh! Sorry, my bad. This is, oh crap. This is Angry Bird shots with, Angry Bird dunks with Javin. Nadia, I'm recording. Nadia, really? I'm posting this on YouTube.
Oh crap.
Nadia, I can't. Really?
Oh, sorry. This is my brother Javin with his puggle. And he got this for Christmas. An Angry Bird hat. Just like mine. Except mine is a girl. By the way, I got this at Kmart.
Not really. Oh.
This football is a Nike football. As you can see, it says Spiral Touch right there. Spiral Touch.
It's tech.
Tech. So,
Gosh, Donnie.
I didn't do anything.
Yes, you did. You're moving all over the place like
Not a lot.
Really? Crap.
Well, let's.
I did one in it anyways.
Want to play hockey again?
Oh yeah.
Where's the ball?
Oh, with the ball. All right, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas from Nadia.